doing this, I'm holding, just imagine I'm holding or hawak ko ay mahabang itak. And naka-long range ako. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The question is, paano mo gagawin yan kung wala ka ng hawak na stick? Can you convert that into M10 such as like this? Hindi yon. Hindi yon. May transition siya. Such as, for example, I'm going to use the asterisk strike. This gonna be a strike or block. This gonna be a parrying. This gonna be a grab. Such as, for example, came from asterisk strike, pwedeng ito yung maging block ko. Block and striking the vital points of the arm. Then I proceed this. And this is gonna be the block and this is the counter. So yun siya, may sa M10's technique may tinatawag na dirty boxing or panuntukan. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? We use we use the backhand, the forearm, we use the elbow, different kinds of elbow, upper side, rear, anything. Gumagamit ng elbow, gumagamit ng knee, gumagamit ng kick, low kick lang,